Here I am, Doreen Guarneri, and I wanted to update you on a product that I love called Simply Smooth Humidity Shield Texture Spray, formerly known as Hairspray. And we changed the name because this is a really fun product that can be used wet or dry in the hair. And I've just finished a beach wave. This is very, very light. The reason that the name is no longer Hairspray is because it doesn't have a hard hold. It's a really fun product to use in the hair just for shaping, shine, and just that little bit of texture. So you can use this as a salt spray. A lot of times people like to use it just to get like a little bit of tackiness to the hair. Love it for that. So wet, dry, you can blow dry with this product and the brush won't get stuck in the hair. I'm just reshaping my waves and pushing them into the hair without having too much hold. I want the hair to be natural and move around, and I'm just going to use it like that and form a little bit of definition, little bit of hold. So wet or dry, Simply Smooth Humidity Shield Texture Spray.